Did you know that you can host online or virtual events right in your Constant Contact account? In this video tutorial, we'll go over how it all works. To get started, choose the Events section. Then, click Create an Event. From there, you need to start filling out your event information. Give it a title and a brief description, then choose the location. Since we're talking about hosting virtual events, choose that option. You'll need to put in an event URL into the box here. Whether that link is to a Zoom call, a Google Hangout, or other access link. Then, in the box here, you can include any additional information. Let them know what to expect when joining the virtual event or other useful information. When you're finished, keep filling out the other sections. For example, the date and time, and event contact information. Then click Continue. The next section is all about tickets and add-ons. Here you can create tickets and assign prices to them if you want to charge your attendees an entrance fee. If your event is free, but you still want to include tickets for it, the price should be set to 0. When you're finished with your tickets and add-ons, you can set up your registration form. This is where you'll choose all of the information you want to collect from your registrants. If you need to add more information than what is there by default, click the Add Form Element button and choose the elements you want. Lastly, in the Payments section, you can choose how you want to process payments for your virtual event. When you're finished, choose Save and Complete. With your virtual event completed, you now need to promote it and get the word out. You can take your event URL and share it anywhere you communicate with your contacts. You can create an event email to share it with them that way, or you can even take your event URL and share it on social media. And that's how easy it is to create and host virtual events with Constant Contact.